Hello everyone. So welcome to our new lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to solve some divisions of monomial to monomial and a monomial or polynomial divided by a monomial. Okay. So we will see two types of divisions in this lecture. Okay. Now before going to the division, let us see what is a monomial. So a monomial is an algebraic equation where there is only one term is present, okay, with a variable and a power. Such term is called as monomial, okay. Now here you can see there are two monomials, that is 15p raised to 3. So power of this term is 3, okay. 15 is the coefficient and p is my variable, okay. So you have to know that in this particular term 15p raised to 3, 15 is the coefficient, it is coefficient, okay. P is my variable, it is my variable, and 3 is my index or called as power, okay. This is the index or power. And if we speak about the polynomial, this is the degree of my polynomial, okay. So I want to divide this 15p raised to 3 by 3p, okay. So I want to divide this polynomial by, this monomial by another monomial, that is 3p, okay. Now let us see the division of this monomial. So we will take first the traditional method to find the division, okay, to find the quotient. Now we know that I want to divide 15p raised to 3, okay. So 15p raised to 3 is my dividend, it is my dividend. 3p is my divisor, 3p is my divisor, okay. Now let us divide this. So how we can divide 15p raised to 3 by 3p, okay, where we will get the remainder as 0. What we want the remainder as 0. Now we know that 3 into 5 will give us 15, as 3 5s are 15, okay. 3 5s are 15, so I can write here 5. 3 5s are 15, so I have written here 15, okay. Now I want p raised to 3, okay. I want a term where if I multiply that term by p, I must get my answer as p raised to 3, okay. Now we have got the 15, we know that 3 into 5 is 15. Now I want here p raised to 3. What I want here p raised to 3. So for achieving that p raised to 3, I want a term by which if I multiply p, I will get p raised to 3. So it is very easy to get. We know that p into p raised to 2, p into p raised to 2 will give me p raised to 3, as p into p, that is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, so we will get here p raised to 3. So here I want p square, okay. So 3p into 5p square will give me 15p raised to 3, and we know that we have to subtract the term. So as I will subtract 15p raised to 3 by 15p raised to 3, I will get here 0. So my remainder is 0, okay. This is my remainder, okay, and my quotient is 5p square, okay. So this is the way to divide the monomial to a monomial, okay. So now we can write our final answer like this, that is 15p raised to 3 divided by 3p will give me 5p square. What did it give us? The answer will be 5p square. Okay, so this is the required answer. Now let us see one more example of division of monomial to a monomial. Now the second question that we want to solve here is we want to divide minus 20y raised to 5 by 2y raised to 3. Okay, so here my divisor is 2y raised to 3 and the dividend is minus 20y raised to 5. Okay, now how we can divide this? What is the way to divide it? Okay, now here we have 20, but this 20 have minus sign. What it have? It have minus sign. So here we know that from beginning only, initially we have minus sign here. Okay, now we will subtract the term that we will get by multiplying the divisor and quotient. जो भी हमें यहाँ पर term मिलेगा उसे हम subtract करते हैं हमारे dividend से. ये normal rule है division का, ये हम सबको मालूम है. Okay, so यहाँ पे मुझे एक ऐसा term चाहिए जिसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? -20. मतलब ये टर्म चाहिए मुझे. यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? -20 चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं -20 लूंगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? देखो यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, तो -20 + 20 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो मुझे यहाँ पे -20 चाहिए. सो ऐसे कौन से टर्म को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा 2 से तो मुझे -20 मिलेगा? ऑब्वियसली इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई -10, व्हाट? -10 को अगर मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है? -20 मिलने वाला है. क्या मिलने वाला है? -20 मिलेगा. 2 10s are 20 and plus into minus becomes minus over here. Okay, now here I want y raised to 5 and in the divisor we have y raised to 3. So if I multiply y raised to 3 to y raised to 2, what I will get? I will get y raised to 5. Okay, so here I will take y raised to 2 and by taking that I will get y raised to 5. Now minus into minus becomes plus, so minus 20y raised to 5 plus 20y raised to 5 becomes 0. What it becomes? It becomes 0. So we have the remainder 0 and we have the quotient that is minus 10y square. So at the end we can write that minus 20y raised to 5 divided by 2y raised to 3 will give us minus 10y square. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, now in examination you have to keep in mind that whenever such type of question will take place in the paper, okay, is there in the paper, so you have to solve in this way, okay, on the same page, and at the end you have to write this equation, the final equation which will have your answer. Okay, now let us see the division of polynomial by a monomial. Okay, now we will like to divide this 6x cube plus 8x square, this is our polynomial, by a monomial that is 2x. Okay, now in this type of question also the process is going to be same. Okay, there is no difference in the process. We will take the dividend, we will like to divide the dividend by a divisor. Okay, but here we will have 2 to 3 steps to get the final answer. Okay, so as the process is same, I will write down the dividend that is 6x cube plus 8x square. Okay, then we will take the divisor that is 2x. Now here I need a term that is 6x cube. Okay, so I want a quotient which will give me the 6x cube over here. Okay, मुझे यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, 6x cube चाहिए. Okay, so 2x को मैं जब मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा किसी एक ऐसे टर्म से जिसका आंसर 6x cube होगा, तो हमें यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर क्या मिलेगा, 0 मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो हमें मालूम है कि 2 को अगर मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 6 मिलेगा. ओके, और x को अगर मैं x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, x क्यूब मिलेगा. ओके, सो 6x क्यूब माइनस 6x क्यूब क्या मिलता है मेरे को, यहाँ पे 0 मिल जाएगा. और ये जो 8x स्क्वायर है वो एज इट इज नीचे आएगा. ओके, अब मुझे यहां पर ऐसा क्वेश्चन चाहिए जिसको अगर मैं 2x से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए, 8x स्क्वायर मिलना चाहिए. ओके, सो हमें मालूम है कि इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 2 इंटू 4 आई विल गेट यर 8. मुझे क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ पे 8 मिलने वाला है. और अगर मैं x को x से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, x स्क्वायर. ओके, सो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या होता है, यहाँ पे 0 होता है. तो रिमाइंडर क्या आ गया, हमारा 0 आ गया. और क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा, 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x. सो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के लिए, हमारा आंसर है 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x. ओके, 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x. Okay, so in this way we can divide a polynomial by a monomial. Let us see one more example of this. Now you can see the polynomial has 3 terms, that is 15y raised to 4, 10y cube and minus 3y square. Okay, we want to divide this polynomial by a monomial, that is 5y square. Okay, so let us start then. Now I will take 5y square, that is my divisor, and 15y raised to 4 plus 10y raised to 3 minus 3y square. This is my dividend. Okay, now we know that 5 3s will give me 5 3s 15. Okay, 5 into 3 will give me 15, and y square into y square will give me y raised to 4. Okay, so 15y raised to 4 minus 15y raised to 4 is 0. Okay, then plus 10y square y cube minus 3y square comes down as it is. Now I know if I multiply 5 into 2 I will get 10. Okay, and if I multiply y square by y I will get y cube. Okay, so that will give me 0 minus 3y square. Okay, now here the sign is minus. Okay, so definitely we want a term which will be negative. Okay, because negative and negative, we want the negative term over here so that we can subtract it as we have the negative sign from here as it is. Okay, हमारे पास पहले से एक माइनस साइन यहाँ पर होता है, तो माइनस को जब मैं माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे प्लस मिलेगा, और फिर वो प्लस और ये माइनस मुझे क्या देगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन देगा, जिससे हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा. ओके, सो मैं 5 को ऐसे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो आंसर 3 आने वाला है, बताओ. क्योंकि 3 तो 5 के टेबल में आता नहीं है, ये हम सबको मालूम है कि 3 5 के टेबल में नहीं आता. तो ऐसे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो आंसर 3 आएगा, मेरा आंसर 3 आएगा. देखो, अगर मैं 5 को 3/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं, 5 को 3/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो 5 1 5 और 5 1 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 3 मिलेगा. क्या मिलेगा, मुझे 3 मिलेगा. सो हमें यहां पे क्या लेना होगा, 3/5 लेना होगा. क्या लेना होगा, -3/5. ओके, 5 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और मुझे 3 मिल जाएगा. और y स्क्वायर है यहाँ पर पहले से, और यहाँ पे भी y स्क्वायर है, तो y स्क्वायर इंटू 1 क्या होता है, y स्क्वायर होता है. सो वी गेट द आंसर -3y स्क्वायर. ओके, अब यहाँ पर माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो प्लस 3y² माइनस 3y² क्या होता है, 0 होता है। तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या आ गया यहाँ पे, 0 आ गया। और हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है यहाँ पर, 3y² plus 2y minus 3/5. Okay, this is the required answer for the given division. Okay, now we know how to solve division of monomial to a monomial and division of polynomial by a monomial. Okay, in the description you will find a link where you will get some solved examples and also some questions to solve, okay, to practice. Now in the next lecture we will solve the questions from the practice set 10.1. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.